Hi everyone, so in this video we're going to look at upper and lower. So often some data will be a mix of uppercase and lowercase characters. For example, the first name might have been entered with a capital first letter and other times it may not. This would make searching them difficult, which is why upper and lower would be used. I often use this in a where condition. To do this, we put lower or upper in front of the column name, which is inside brackets. Look at the first example. We will query everyone whose first name is Leslie, but since we have added lower to the condition, we must make every letter inside the quotation marks in lowercase. This will return everyone called Leslie, regardless of how it is displayed in the data. And in the second example, we will return all employees with the email address matching dmurphy@classicmodelcars.com. And again, it will display the results no matter what case the email characters are entered in the database. Okay, so I've just opened up MySQL Workbench and we can open a new query and have a look at some examples. So first we'll just do a select star from employees. So you can see here all the employees' last name, first name, email addresses, etc. So if we want to show the Leslies, there's two here, as you can see. Regardless of what case the characters are entered in the data, we just add in a where, and you can use lower or upper, whichever you prefer. And we do first name equals Leslie. And then if we run that, it's still going to return both Leslies, even though the first letter is capital L. And again, let's just add in a upper, and we'll just show the email. So I'm going to just paste in the email that I showed in the example in the PowerPoint. So we can show that in uppercase. Execute that and it's going to show dmurphy even though it is in lowercase in the data. And I will just show you one keyboard shortcut here while we're here. So I'll just delete this where statement for now. So say we wanted to add in where the email equals, let's look at the second one, open quotation marks, Patterson at classicmodelcars.com, close quotation. And if we wanted to put upper in front of this, we can change this all to uppercase by holding down Control and Shift and then U for upper in our keyboards, and then it will convert all of this to uppercase. And then we can run that and it's going to just display Mary Patterson. So what we could also do is use upper, for example, in the select statement. So I'll just delete this where statement. Let's select all, and then we'll add a new column called upper first name. And that's just going to be the first name in uppercase. So we can name any column that we create by just adding an as. So we'll just name this column uppercase name. And then we'll execute that. And you can see all the names are in uppercase here. So that is it for upper and lower. And in the next video, we will use this along with in and not in. So we'll see you in the next video.